Hey guys, greetings from my nice Tipi home. Today we have rainy and stormy weather, so I sit inside and have something to do. So today I want to make some French crepe. I bought a new pan, especially for the French crepe. Oh shit, I don't know. So what I use to make crepe, I carved a special cooking spoon to turn around the crepe. I take a shaker, some milk, salt, sugar, some meal and some eggs. Yeah, that's it. Let's shake. I'm gonna use the Swedish Trangia. Here's my pan, 34 centimeters, with a special, I don't know. So I take 100 gram with one egg. One egg. A little bit salt and a little bit sugar. Yeah, and some milk. Close and shake. Oh, shake, 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 shake. Shake your booty, shake your booty, and it's ready. I'm using a little bit of oil. Yes, that's enough. Start making the fire burning. Yeah. And with a special sign, I see when it's ready and hot enough. Okay, let's go. Oh. Ah. Oh Leute. It's not so easy. Not enough, not enough. Oh. So I think now it's time to turn around. With my special carved. Yes, yes. Wow, it works, nice. So, a little bit sugar. And some chocolate. Oh, it's hard. Because it's so cold. Oh, very hard. It doesn't matter. It tastes very nice. So, I think my first crepe will be ready. Yes, ready. Now it's ready to eat. My cooking spoon, special one, works great. Very, very nice. Oh, it's very easy and tastes awesome. I say ciao and see you soon. Listen to the shit weather. It's raining all day long. Ciao.